Good morning. As you guys saw, I was basically headed into the observation lounge. Hopefully y'all can hear me because I have not figured this microphone system situation out, and it's really bothering me, but I need to figure it out because for some reason my sound isn't coming up, and everything is on, everything is working, all the lights are flashing. I don't know why it isn't, but anyway, I had to kind of share that with y'all. So I'm at the observation lounge now, and if I'm sitting a little close to the camera, it's because the microphones are crazy and everybody is headed to get off of the ship because we are starting to dock right now. So I am officially on the Alaska cruise. So our first stop is Sitka. Okay, as you can see, it's a little quieter now, and that's because everybody is getting ready to go and leave off of the ship. I need to go and find my aunts. That's who I'm with. I need to go and find them, make sure they're situated before I hop off. Okay, y'all, so much happened just now. I was trying to troubleshoot this freaking, oh, maybe I should do that. Okay, so much happened just now. I was trying to troubleshoot this microphone, and I ended up spilling my coffee, and then I'm over here trying to clean stuff up. The people are looking at me like, what is really going on? So we're about to get ready to get off the ship. I'm about to go and put some clothes on. It's supposed to be raining. I have a good amount of base layer on right now, and I'll show y'all my outfit when I get off of the ship and into the city of Sitka. I'll show you guys my look for today. But for now, I have just on my base layers, so I have to go and put some actual clothes on. I think it's like 37 degrees. So yeah, I am excited to see what the city has to offer and to get into it. So yeah, we'll see. I am recording on my vlogging camera today, so be proud of me. Might have to break my phone out though every once in a while if something is happening too quickly or something. But yeah, so objective of the day is, okay, we have completely stopped. Okay, so objective of the day is figure out this microphone situation, number one. And number two, try to use a vlogging camera the whole time. So, yeah, but that's pretty much it. I'm pretty excited about today. Yesterday was at sea. I wasn't really excited about that. I really didn't do a whole lot. I worked actually, so. But today, I'm excited to see what this little city has. I don't have any excursions lined up. I'm just gonna do some exploring the city on my own and showing y'all some of the stuff, which I'm really excited to do. So, yeah, I'll pick y'all back up in a minute when I'm off the ship. Hey, okay. We are currently at port. I ended up coming back up here to our stateroom because I'm trying to debate on what I'm gonna put on, because I feel like I need to put another layer on. I feel like I need to put on another layer. So yeah, so I'm gonna debate on whether or not I'm gonna put on another layer. But currently we are at dock. So this is what it's looking like. So down there is where I'm going to get off at. But yeah, so y'all see what the terminal port is looking like. And then that's another ship over there that's docked. But yeah, so that's where I'm going to be getting off at, right down there, where you see all those people getting off. And to get the light back right. Here we go. So yeah, getting ready to roll out. Just wanted to kind of show y'all what the view was from the balcony. I'm on the 12th floor. It sounds high, but it's really not. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I'm going to get off, and then I'm going to get on a shuttle and ride into downtown. That's what the plan is right now. So I'll show y'all some sights along the way. All right, y'all. So what's happening right now is rain. And obviously it rains a lot. And I don't want to say obviously because everybody doesn't know. But my research did show me that it rains a lot in Alaska. So as you can see, people are waiting. So we're at the terminal right now. I think you can see the ship back there. But we're at the terminal right now, and we're waiting to get on the shuttle to take us into downtown Sitka. Now, in true D fashion, I did make a couple of little buddies on the ship, and so they said that they actually texted me and said that they were going to wait for me to go on a hike. And I feel bad that they're waiting for me because, honey, if this is what it's looking like on that hike, I'm about to be muddy and everything else. So that's basically what's happening right now, is that we're waiting to get on the shuttle. When we get on the shuttle, we'll be good. I didn't get to show y'all an outfit picture because it turned into a monsoon. So I haven't forgotten. I'll show y'all. But I added a couple more layers on since I saw y'all the last time, just because when I went out on the balcony, it was so cold. But in any case, just to give y'all a little context before I get back into the monsoon in a minute, because some of this wait in line is covered and some of it's not. And I just put my umbrella up and popped my camera out so I could talk to y'all a little bit more. But so from the ship to the terminal is one little walk, right? And they have these little shops and all that kind of stuff. But you can also take a shuttle that goes into their downtown, which is what I want to do. I did not book any excursions again, because I think I said that I didn't book any because I didn't know what it was going to be looking like. And I'm glad I didn't, because I would not want to be doing anything in this rain. Y'all, look at this line. My patience has been activated. But we in here. We ready. I'll pick y'all up when it get dry. Okay, y'all, this is the reality of the situation. This is what the line, if you're visiting in Sitka, this is what the line is going to look like if you want to go into downtown. Like I said, the girls earlier, they got off the ship a little bit earlier, but expect at least a 30-minute line situation. And I think we're doing all of this to get over here. Y'all see right there where the people are going, and this is what the shuttle looks like. Looks like they can hold a pretty good amount of people. So but yeah, this is where we're at. We're in Sitka, Alaska. It is a nice rainy day. Actually, it's only supposed to rain for 2 hours, so we'll see. Okay, we finally made it on the bus. This is the situation. So, yeah, headed into downtown Sitka, and I'll pick y'all back up, let y'all know what kind of things I get into. So I'm excited about it. Sorry it says if it's a little noisy. I'm trying to get this microphone situation situated. So I'll pick y'all back up in a minute. All right, y'all. I am back. Y'all don't pay any attention to me. I am back on my journey. I have met up with my little crew who seem to be some really cool humans, which I love. We are in a park now. I'm not the navigator. My little friend here is a navigator, so we're gonna put all of our trust in her today. But so far, we are doing well. We are near a little water moment. I have put on a beanie because the temperature is definitely dropping. But yeah, so this is what we are doing. The hike has begun. Shout out to everybody who is supportive of the hike. Everyone is not. What's okay? Come on, wildlife. Oh, look at the. Okay, this is a nice. Let me get my camera going. Cause this. All right, so we're gonna be here on the hike, living our best lives. Really. Gotta get some photos though. Y'all see this content situation? Serious situation. Whew. We got two sources here. All right, I gotta catch up, y'all, on the hike. Gotta catch up. Okay. Now, apparently, this is bear season. That may pose a small problem, but we'll see. Okay, y'all, we are entering into the forest now, getting ready to start the hike. As y'all can see, it's pretty dark. Remember I told y'all that it is bear season, so the guy said that normally if someone was standing right here at the front, they wouldn't let us in if it was an active bear in the area. As y'all can see, there are other people walking through here, but yeah, this is a pretty big situation here. As you can see, there are a lot of people here. A lot of wildlife, and look at those trees. Trees are really cool. Gonna explore a little bit in this field. I have the microphone, so y'all should still be able to hear me, but not all the way. All right, y'all, so this is just a big open field. These totem poles here are basically what they're about here in Sitka, Alaska. They're all throughout the forest, as you've seen before.
When it died.
Oh,
Normally they don't.
Is it a little suction on there? That's cool.
Let's try.
What else is out here? What did you find?
I lifted a rock up and things jumped out.
What things?
Snails? Little, they're like jumpy.
Oh, it is. What is that?
Oh, they're bugs. They're really boys. But they can jump.
Yeah, no jumpy
See?
things. So we are done with the hike. We're done with the hike. I need to get this hat on my head because it's cold. So I'm gonna do that. Now, let me give y'all a little secret. Do the satin scarf underneath your beanie. If you want to save your edges, keep them laid down. Save your edges with the satin scarf underneath so your hair isn't looking all crazy. Alright, I'm back. Now my little hiking buddies went to get something to eat. I stopped at this little gallery over here, which seemed pretty cool. I had to change my cell phone battery, but then I mean, not my cell phone battery, my camera battery. I stopped at this little art shop, which is where I'm kind of sitting here on a bench taking a break. Whew. Y'all, this whole vlogging situation in combination with the rain and all that, I would like to take this time to give a shout out to every single vlogger and YouTuber. People don't know what it is to be dealing with what y'all are dealing with. Okay, let me answer this. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to get a couple of people together. Yeah, I sent out like 3 emails getting somebody together within that time I was gone. Within like 10 minutes. Seriously. Okay, so anyway, we just left the hike, stopped by this cute little art gallery, checked out some things. I like to collect art when I travel. I didn't really see anything here that would kind of go with my decor, so I'm going to go into the little downtown area. I'm going to take y'all with me so we can see what else Sitka has to offer before I head back to the ship. So let's go. There is so much good stuff in here. Stinkweed, elderberry, fire tonic. Ooh, lavender honey. These jams. Seasoning is always good to buy when you travel because you can keep it for a while. Tea. Oh, actually, what is it? Oh, herbs. Hot sauce. Get this lobster spread. Canned fish is really big here. I don't think I want to get any at the first stop though. Maybe the second stop. We're in Alaska, so everything is about salmon. I used to collect shot glasses and I started collecting dust, so I don't do that anymore. Ooh. Those are big. This is a little spot in this little alley here that is serving king crab. Man, it smells good back here.
Thank you. It is.
It's all good.
We're foodie fishermen. And
You guys
wanted to-
catch all this?
Yes, ma'am. And we wanted to offer some good stuff.
Ended the day with a chai latte from the cutest little coffee shop inside of the terminal here. And this is where the bus dropped us off at. This is where I ended it. The chai latte, something I can't get on the ship. These cute little guys rang me up and they were super, super friendly. So. Hey, I'm back. So I'm at the stateroom and I just ate a little dinner. And I was thinking about sitting down eating, but I was like, you know, today's been a long day. I don't feel like changing clothes. I don't feel like doing any of that. Once I shower and lay down, it's gonna do it for me. I don't think I'm gonna like do anything tonight. So I have met a couple of people on the ship though, so if somebody wants to do something, maybe I'll do that, but not too much. So I'm back at the stateroom. I am about to shower, freshen up, and do some work. I need to do some work today. I've been working pretty much all day, just responding to emails and messages as they come in, obviously. So I do digital content, things like that, so I've been doing that. But I need to kind of get some stuff set up for tomorrow, schedule some posts, do some things like that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, today was a good day in Sitka. There isn't too much to do. It was very uneventful. I'm looking forward to tomorrow, which is Juneau. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm going to go out on the balcony. It's raining a little bit. I think it's like misty rain, but Alaska is the rain, so that's just what it's gonna be. I'm gonna go and show y'all what the view is outside of the balcony right now as we are leaving leaving Sitka. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show y'all the view and then I'll pick y'all up in the morning. I'm gonna try to get up super early to do a ship tour. I don't know that I'm gonna make the whole tour. I mean the whole ship. I don't know that I'm gonna make the whole ship, but I'm gonna try to get up early enough to do the tour so y'all can kind of see what it's looking like on here. Yeah, and that's it. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. So here we are on the ship. Like I said, we are on the 12th floor, and you can see fabulous views. Telling y'all it's about 35 degrees out here right now, and it feels every bit of it. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. I am in Juneau, Alaska. That is Juneau. There is the welcome sign back there. I am in downtown. I'll give y'all a 360 view right now because there's some amazing mountain views back there. The trees, everything is so lush. I just grabbed a coffee, which you probably saw from the coffee shop. Little coffee shop, I think it's called The Grind. The shuttle dropped us off into downtown, and it's really like the views are really cool. Like you can see the fog coming off the mountains up in the trees. It's really cool. So I'm about to head up to Glacier Park. Glacier Park is where I'll be able to see a lot of glaciers. So it's gonna be cold. I didn't know exactly what I was gonna do before I got here, like into downtown. I was just like winging it because I never booked the cruise tours. They're just ridiculous. So I never booked them. But so I always try to take the local tours. Also, that supports the local community directly usually. These days you don't know, but you know, I try to think about things like that and be more conscious with my spending and my purchasing power. So anyway, they're sending a shuttle to pick me up to take me to Glacier Park. Glacier Park is where I'll probably get on the chill. I did, you know, like I said, I grabbed a coffee. Probably just chill out over there and get some, you know, really good content and just take it in. Because when do you get to see a glacier? I mean, I live in Texas. There's no thing. That's not a thing. And that's why I'm here. So a lot of people stood in line to take this tram that you see here. It's really cool as well because it goes up in the mountains. I don't know how high, but it goes really high, and that's really cool. But there's a whole lot of people that are actually in line for that. I would have loved to have done that. You can see I would have loved to have done that, but I was not about to stand in that line. No. So I'm about to go and get on my shuttle bus that's going to take me to Glacier Park. I'll be over there for a couple of hours and then I'll come back. So yeah, that'll be fun times. So yeah, I'll pick y'all back up after that, and I'll also try to get some more footage. So cheers to our second port, which is Juneau. Cheers to our second port. Okay, y'all. All right, we made it up to Mendenhall Glacier. That's where I told y'all we were going. And I'm about to get on a hike moment up here. So just to show you where I'm going. It's gonna be interesting. Just to show you where I'm going. Oh, you can't really see it that well. This is the light. But you can see it a little bit there. Okay, so the first thing that needs to happen is I need to get something on my head because it's cold. I mean, but it's Alaska, so we knew that. And I need to get something going on my head. And before I get up there, the bus is leaving us. We have to be back in 2 hours. So I'll do that. And we'll go ahead and get ready. And I'll pick y'all back up in a second because I want to get some good footage for y'all. So, yeah. gonna get on in here while I'm hiking up this situation, hiking up this mountain. Y'all, it's beautiful out here. This port is not long enough, just so y'all know. This port is way too short. What I am going to do is show y'all my view right now. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my view right now. Okay, so I'm back and nobody is really on this trail. The reality is I have to be back by 11. Nobody is on this trail. So I just gotta make sure that my watch is situated. Oh, y'all, it's so beautiful out here. Just the air is so crisp and clear. Need to figure out these photos. See if I can get a 360 for y'all. Boom. And I'm back. All right, y'all, I'm gonna keep on running up in these mountains. I'm on some major adventure travel right now. Also, I'm looking out for a bear. Y'all see? Hold on. Y'all see what this says? Y'all see that? This is a bear trail. What happens if we see a bear?
Make noise and make yourself look bigger.
Girl. Okay. Now, where her little bitty self going by herself? Now I'm looking for a bear, y'all. This was all fun and games until I started looking for a bear. I should have stayed with the group or something. Oh, Lord. Okay, y'all. Now I'm thinking I should have stayed with the group or something because, oh, that's pretty. Wow. This marsh. It's beautiful up here. Okay, y'all, on a serious note. Now I'm thinking I should have stayed with the group or something because this little bear trail moment making me a little nervous. I don't know, it's good out here though. Are those bear trap?
Yep.
Girl, I know you lying. Are those are bear,
I think, yeah, that's definitely a bear trap.
Wait a minute. Okay, y'all, do those look like, oh, what is that noise? Do those look like bear tracks right there? She said they did. Woo-hoo. Okay. All right, y'all. What? Oop. Okay. Where did I get the spirit of adventure from? Like, who put this on me? Y'all, those were like real bear. Those was those were, I can't even focus. Those were real bear. Y'all, you know, now that I think about it, no wonder nobody else was over here on this trail. But myself and this lady back here who is clearly also an adventure traveler. So I need y'all to vote. Should I keep going down this trail? If it was a bear trail, would y'all keep going? Or would y'all turn around? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, y'all. Let the record show that I turned around. Let the record show that I turned around. I mean, it's nice out here and it's beautiful, but y'all know I can't be living on edge like this. I got it's too muchery. Okay, I'm gonna go toward the glacier now, which is probably where I should have been. I'm gonna go to the lookout and get y'all some footage of the glacier. So here goes. It's beautiful over here. All right, maybe I'll get some photos over here too. All right. Waterfalls, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the real lakes that you used to. All right, here's another good old look of the waterfall here. Okay, now this is a there we go. The waterfall. Okay, y'all, I'm currently standing on what seems to be a little rock formation with what is a new development, a runny nose. But it is so cool and peaceful out here, like it's not even funny. And you can actually see pieces of ice. There's a waterfall in front of me and a piece of ice. I'm going to show you. Yeah, so how cool is that? It's just really cool and peaceful. So I'm gonna have to head back in a minute. So I'm gonna get some photos. I know I haven't been doing a whole lot of narrating here, but it is what it is. I kind of just want y'all to feel the nature moment that I am really taking a part of. So I'll probably get some more B-roll. So I'm gonna get some more footage of what's in front of me because it's just amazing. Maybe in a slower kind of way. So anyway, I'm about to get ready to head back, but I'm taking it all in. Beautiful, beautiful day here in Juneau, Alaska. Just, we couldn't have asked for a more beautiful, perfect day. All right, I'm getting ready to head back to the ship. Currently here, standing by this little stream. Y'all can see this little stream here. But I have not seen any salmon, which we know Alaska is known for. I've been looking for it. I'm pretty sure you've been watching this vlog. I didn't see any bears either, but I wasn't taking those types of chances. I do consider myself an adventure traveler. However, I do not play around with animals, especially in their habitat, because just think about it. Like, at home on your turf, you're more likely to win. What do you think is gonna happen with me out here on their turf? I already lost. So yeah, Juneau is it was a cool stop. So far it's the second stop, but I definitely liked it. But there's more to do in Juneau than Sitka yesterday. Sitka was cute too. I feel like I was hiking in the rainforest. Y'all saw the vibes. Today we had a beautiful day. Look how clear it was. You can see all the way up. Like, it was the perfect day. I would say the weather is chill. When I came back down from the glacier, I just took my beanie off because I don't need it anymore. I do have a little sniffle now, so yeah, we'll try to get in front of that. I do have some Zicam at the room that I brought because I am prepared Patty. So anyway, yeah, so it's time to get back on the bus, go back to the ship and decompress. I'm probably gonna do some editing and some work, of course. This is a workation. One thing about a cruise, after your second one, it's pretty much, you know the vibes. So working on a cruise is pretty chill. Not to mention, I'm still technically in the US, so I'm not dealing with all those internet issues or anything like that. I'm on the same type of time. So anyway, I'll pick y'all back up. If y'all are still here on this vlog, I need y'all to like and subscribe. Now, there is fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content, but travel is definitely going to show up on this channel, and probably travel that you're not used to seeing, because I don't know how to put this lightly, but I've not seen too many beautiful brown skinned people here. So and if you guys pick anyone up in my footage, you won't see many either. So I think it's very important to bring awareness to places like this, just in case you or someone who looks like me may feel a certain way about traveling to a certain place. I do want to let y'all know, everybody I've encountered on the ship, off the ship, have been extremely friendly, even within the towns and the cities. And I know it's touristy and people are going to be friendly to you because, you know, they want you to spend money and all that, but it feels very genuine. So I did want to share that with you all, just in case you were wondering. I like cold weather. A lot of people don't like cold weather, so that's kind of, that may be a deterrent, but it's beautiful out here. And if you ever got a chance, I would definitely take it to come. So yay, I'll pick y'all back up when I get back to the ship.